Affiliate marketing advice for the aspiring entrepreneur. You can find a lot of products online, from HGTVs to ebooks on Spanish recipes and everything in between. Marketing these products to people from the companies that make them is a great way to earn a good living. Being an affiliate marketer is a popular career in high demand, and we will discuss some ways you can market products in this video. Give visitors many different options for connecting to your affiliate marketing through social media networks. In this day and age, people often choose to surf whichever portal is most convenient to them at the moment. If they are already posting on one source, they will often stay on that same source for more information. Be available on all of the social media sites in order to always be easily accessible to visitors. Look for companies that are willing to pay extra for your time spent. Some affiliate businesses expect you to design the marketing tools you will be using to get them buyers. Finding a business that is willing to pay you for the extra efforts is quite a bonus. If you are spending your time for their sales, you should be paid for it. You don't have to limit yourself to just making one website, expand your profit potential. If you start to see success after your first website, then make another website and double your profit potential on a monthly basis. Plus, after you make your first website and go through all the procedures of getting into affiliate marketing, it should be easier to make another because you're already familiar with the process. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you're always putting out good content. If you have old content that's outdated, customers might get turned away. A simple way to keep your old content good is by placing a link to more current content on your website. A great affiliate marketing tip is to include reviews of products you wouldn't recommend to your customers. Including reviews of products you wouldn't recommend can be a great way to gain the trust of your customers. You'll be providing them with information that they have a right to know. With the vast array of products to choose from online, it's easy to get your foot in the marketing door, but stepping all the way through is another matter entirely. In this video, you learn some ways in which to take your marketing efforts to the next level. Don't forget to use these tips on your path to success and to always work to improve your web presence. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.